Welcome to the Getting Started Guide for TA Series Actuators. This video will guide you to control TA actuators quickly. The items you will receive include a TA model actuator, a CAN adapter module, a Type-C connection cable, as well as CAN, protocol communication and power cables. In addition to the items you have received, you should also prepare a main control device and power supply. The main control device can be a computer, industrial computer, PLC, Raspberry Pi, microcontroller, or other devices with CAN or USB communication interfaces. The voltage of the power supply should be between 24 and 48 V, and the rated power depends on the model. The power supply should be equipped with accurate 1 mA current monitoring or power monitoring to prevent abnormal discharge situations. Then, we connect the wires, with one end of the Type-C wire directly connected to the connection port of the CAN adapter module. And the CAN communication wire connected to the other two ports, where the green wire is connected to the middle and the yellow wire is connected to the left. Connect Type-C and power cord to the computer and power supply respectively. When powering on without any operation, first observe the current of the power supply, which should be 50 mA plus is 10 mA. If the current is abnormal, immediately turn off the power. The indicator light of the actuator should be blue. After confirming that there are no abnormalities, we will proceed to the upper computer software of the TA actuator. First, check if the CAN adapter module is recognized by the computer. Open the device manager and click on Port. At this point, there is no item with K340, and the device is not recognized. You need to download the driver. Open the browser and search for TH340. Click on the website, and then click on Download. Extract. Double-click to open, click Install. After installation, the computer recognized our device. You can also download the Q340 driver from our online documentation. Then open the website where we store the user manual. Click on Docs, where we provide detailed specifications and usage information for the actuator. Please refer to these documents during use. Click on Download. Click on TA Debugger. Click on File Download and unzip. Double-click to open the upper computer software. And select the COM port recognized after downloading the driver. Enter the correct ID number. Default is 00, where where 0506 is a fixed byte and the last 00 is the instruction type. After entering the upper computer, the indicator light of the actuator will flash briefly because the actuator has received a reset command. Firstly, please refer to the serial number and firmware date below the software. If they are not empty, it indicates that the software has detected the actuator. After entering the contour position mode, the actuator will return to 0 by default. And the indicator light will change from blue to green. Input the current limit value, speed limit value, and target position value, and send them. The actuator will rotate to the target position according to the limited speed. Calculate and input the 90-degree position, where the count for one revolution of the reducer is 65536. Rotate the actuator to the 90-degree position. Click Return to 0, and the actuator will return to the origin. When exiting the operation mode, the upper computer will send a 4 reset command and the actuator indicator light will flash once.